actually designed this about a year ago, and believe it or not, it's loosely based off of a juicer by one of my favorite designers, a guy named Philippe Stark. I really just kind of wanted to create a modern piece that incorporated wood and metal and do a simple design, and I finally got around to making it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. There's a few things I wanted to talk about. You probably noticed the music in this and me playing along. That's because my friend John Bailey and I launched a free music service, ampletunes.com, for all the creators out there. It's free to download, free to use however you'd like. You can download all the songs at ampletunes.com. If you want to support us, I invite you to check out our Patreon page for Ampletunes. We're just starting out, but we're gonna try and put out a few new tracks each month. Shout out to Jimmy DiResta for using one of them in his latest vlog video. If you want to support me directly, I do also have a Patreon. I have merch for sale. I know I don't put out a whole lot of videos on my YouTube channel. A lot of travel this year, and most of my projects take a long time to build. If you kind of want to see what I'm doing behind the scenes, I invite you to check out my Instagram. I try and stay pretty active with the stories and stuff on there, so if that's something you're interested in, you can find me at Fabrications on Instagram. I'm also going to put a link in the corner that'll take you to the site that'll have kind of the story as well as all the tools and products I use to build this. So if that's something you're interested in, you can click the link above. I was fortunate enough to get to work with a handful of sponsors on this video, so I wanted to thank Rockler, Arbortech, Ferret Abrasives, Lincoln Electric, and IsoTunes for sponsoring this video. And last but not least, I wanted to give a special thanks to all my Patreon supporters. Thank you so much for making this possible, and I'll see you next time.